Hello and welcome to the very first episode of Life a Little Better. I'm your host, Christina Galioto, and I started this series because I know I needed my life to go a little better. We're all trying to optimize. Especially moms. We need organization, we need a game plan. The free-for-all thing wasn't working for me. And that's why today's very first episode, I'm starting with the breakfast schedule for kids. The reason I decided to do this one first is because of how much it's impacted my life having it. I no longer feel overwhelmed in the mornings. I know what I'm doing, and everything that comes down to optimization comes down to planning. What's that nerdy little saying? It's proper prior planning prevents poor performance. I was finding myself feeling frantic and frustrated in the mornings. I didn't want to start my days like that, but I definitely didn't want to start my kids' days like that. And that's what this is all about. Everything that you want to achieve or optimize, plan for it. Be prepared. This breakfast schedule, like I said, it has impacted our lives for the good. I'm so happy to share it. I've shared it with so many of my mom friends already. So I'm just gonna run through the days of the week and what that looks like in my house. This is a basic guideline, so it can be as extravagant or simple as you want. And hopefully something I say today can impart your lives and help you the way that it helped me, because really it has changed our mornings forever. So it's Monday morning, and on Mondays I make a smoothie. I serve it alongside a leftover baked good from the weekend, or I buy something prepared during my market run on Sundays. So today I'm serving it with leftover blueberry pancakes, and I want to share our favorite smoothie recipe real fast. I like to start the week off with something healthy, so I always make a smoothie. In this video, I'm showing you our absolute favorite smoothie recipe. It's spinach, pears, vanilla, mint, avocado, and coconut water. I actually won a contest with that recipe. It was in cooking school, impromptu surprise smoothie contest, and that one won, so it's going in the book. On Tuesdays, I make something with eggs or tofu. All of the recipes in my egg tofu chapter can go either way. You can make it with eggs or you can make it with tofu. Today I'm making my Italian frittata with Italian sausage and broccoli rabe. It's foolproof, turns out perfect every time, and frittatas are something I make basically every week, only because it's such a great way for me to use up anything in my fridge, and also it's very straightforward and simple. It turns out perfect, and I don't have to really worry about it too much. Plus there's a 15-minute cooking time, so while it's cooking I can be doing other things. Waffle Wednesday. This is actually my favorite day of the week because I serve frozen waffles from a box. Waffle Wednesday is easy and the kids are very happy. Thursdays, I serve instant oatmeal. Also easy, and I look forward to that also. Just top it with some berries again. Or I can make a yogurt parfait. Just regular store-bought yogurt with some granola and berries. Friday is shit on toast. I make something on toast, whatever I have. Very often avocado toast, because where we live, avocados are in season all year. And we're all very happy with it. There's so many variations that you can make. So avocado toast for the win. Saturday mornings. This is my kids' favorite day of the week because they get to have milk and cereal in front of the TV. We have a strict no screens policy in the morning, Monday through Friday. So Saturday morning, they stay in their pajamas, they get milk and cereal and get to watch their shows. Sunday morning, I make pancakes. Very often from a bag, instant pancakes. I hate baking. I think anyone who knows me or watches my videos knows that. But sometimes I will make something gourmet, but very often it's from the bag, and we're all happy with that. This is my daily breakfast schedule, and as simple as it sounds, when you put it into action, it will change your life. It's instant stuff. So I hope this helps.